Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer frozen walleye. Let's begin. We have here one bag of frozen walleyes and it's around 1 pound. Now let's open it up. There you go. We're going to put it in a bowl first. We'll need some lemon juice. We have here 1 lemon. Pour lemon juice on top. Make sure to get it all on the fish. Make sure that the fish is covered in the lemon juice. There you go, that's one. And the last one. Okay, it's covered in the lemon juice. The lemon juice will help remove some of the fishiness taste from the fish. Next, we're going to season it with some salt, some garlic powder, some paprika, there you go, and lastly, some ground black pepper. Flip it over and do the same thing. There we go. Next, we're going to spray some cooking oil on the frozen walleye. Turn it over, do the same thing. There you go. We sprayed both sides. Next, we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 370 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 370 degrees. Let's put in the frozen walleye. But before we put in the frozen walleye, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. We're going to put in the frozen walleye, skin side up. There we go. Looking good. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 370 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take it out. Next, we're going to take some chopped up green onions and sprinkle it on top. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer frozen walleye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.